Hi guys, are you looking to optimize your network performance? Fiber switches might be the answer that you need, but wait, should you go for managed or unmanaged option? So in this video, we'll explore the key differences between managed and unmanaged fiber switches. So stay tuned as we break down everything that you need to know about these two types of switches and help you make an informed decision. And whether you're looking to enhance your network or streamline your connectivity challenges, we have the solution that you need. You can visit our solution page on our website to explore our cutting-edge products and innovative solutions. Fiber network switches are the forefront of our digital landscape. They're silent architects of our interconnected world, allowing data to flow at the speed of light. So choosing the right switch type is a strategic move. Whether you're a home user or a business owner, understanding your unique needs and matching them with the perfect switch is essential, because this is the key to unlock faster data speed, smoother communication, and future-proof network. So let's first dive into unmanaged fiber network switches, the uncomplicated yet essential components of modern connectivity. This device provides the fundamental functions of routing data from one device to another with no fuss, and just plug them in and they're ready to work their magic. Unmanaged switches shine in smaller network or environment where extensive customization or monitoring aren't necessary. They do their job silently and efficiently. So here we have our 8-port fiber optic SFP switch. It allows you to finish fiber connectivity that is with different bandwidth requirement conveniently and cost saving. It has a 1 gigabit SFP port and 2 gigabit uplink RJ45 port. So now let's dive into managed fiber network switches, where advanced functionality meets the needs of layered network and tech-savvy users. And they offer a level of control and configuration that goes beyond the basics, allowing for fine-tuning and optimization of network performance. IP professionals can access and control the switches from afar, ensuring network adjustment can happen at speed of thought. Managed switches come with enhanced security features like VLAN that keeps sensitive data isolated and traffic flowing smoothly. QoS feature ensure that essential data gets top priority even in busy network, safeguarding your network from intrusion and threats. So now let me introduce you to some of our fiber network switches. On the top, we have the 8 Ethernet plus 12 SFP L2 plus industrial fast ring managed network switch. It has 8 1 gigabit RJ45 Ethernet port and 12 1 gigabit SFP port and 1 console port. It also has redundant dual DC power to achieve high stability and support ERPS ring protocol. And in between, we have the 16 plus 8 port managed fiber switch. It has 8 1000 megabit per second Ethernet port and 16 SFP fiber slots. And last but not least, this is the 24 port fiber SFP managed switch. It has 16 1 gigabit SFP port and 8 combo ports, and also 4 10 gigabit per second SFP plus port for high-speed connectivity, a total switch capacity of 128 gigabit per second, and also achieve the performance of a 40 gigabit per second network by grouping these 4 10G ports together. So this is ideal for enterprise-level network that require connectivity over a long distance, which is up to 60 kilometers. So unmanaged switches are the stars in scenario where plug-and-play functionality is all you need, like home network, small offices, or setup where technical expertise is limited. Managed switches, on the other hand, thrive in larger network where customization, monitoring, and optimization are paramount, like expensive cooperative network, data centers, or environment with high security required. And when it comes to scalability, managed switches are the preferred option. But whether you're opting for simplicity with unmanaged switch or the power of customization with managed switch, the key is to align your choice with the network-specific needs and the future growth plan. So now we have moved in front of the demonstration board, and I'm going to do a connection using the fiber managed switch that I just showcased. Looks like we have a lot of equipment to explain about, so let's walk through the process together. So over here we have the 16+8 fiber managed switch. This is a termination box. This is a 32-channel network video recorder. And the network video recorder is already connected to a monitor through a HDMI cable. So first I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect, let's connect to this one. Let's connect the network video recorder all the way to our switch here. Our switch has a combo port, so you can just plug in any of those RJ45 port. This is the SFP transceiver. Today we are using a BD SFP transceiver, and we are using an LC connector single mode fiber optic cable. This is what it looks like. Plug it into any of the SFP slots using this fiber patch cord to connect it to our termination box. This termination box is designed for composite fiber optic cable to also provide power. If you don't need any of those, you can just swap them into the fiber connector. I'm going to plug it in here, and I'm going to show you why. Because I pull the cable all the way to here. Today we are using a 4-string fiber optic cable. You might not see clear here, so let's come over this side. This is the 300 meters fiber optic cable, and you can see very clear over in this termination box. I'm going to open it. We have 4 strings, and on each string we have labels on them. We are using string A. So again, using a fiber patch cord to connect to string A to our industrial grade managed switch. Again, we are using this BD SFP transceiver. Plug it in here. Connect to the fiber patch cord. We are connecting to 2 devices, which are the bullet camera and the wireless access point. And they are already powered up, so let's wait. Oh, it's very quick. The video footage is already displaying on the monitor. I'm going to wave my hand to show you this is a live video. So the whole connection is done. So before you choose the perfect fiber network switch, you should start by assessing your network's unique requirement. Consider the size of your network, its complexity, your budget constraint, and the technical expertise at your disposal. Don't just meet your current needs, always plan for the future. Make sure you follow proper installation guide, understand the basics of troubleshooting for both unmanaged and managed switches, because it's often the small issues that can disrupt your network. Always have regular maintenance, clean your equipment, and update firmware as needed. So make sure you're well prepared. And thank you very much for joining us today. I'll see you in the next video.